Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today on this video, I'm going to show you how to make delicious kuku kienyeji at home. I hope you like this recipe and I hope you try it out. If you haven't subscribed, kindly hit that subscribe button and let's get started. So guys, I've got my chicken pieces here well cleaned. I'm going to add crushed garlic and ginger into them. Also, I'm just going to add enough water, not too much, just to cover the chicken. And after that, I added salt. And I just gave that a good mix and left the chicken to boil for 1 hour to soften. Remember, kienyeji chicken tends to be very hard, and this is the chicken after boiling. And now we are ready to move on to the next step. So into a sufuria, fry onions and add like a teaspoon of chicken masala. And I don't like to add too much spices to my kienyeji chicken. I love it simple because it tends to bring out that kienyeji chicken taste to the chicken without the spices. And after that, I added tomato paste and I added a whole sachet of, I think, 70 grams. And then after that, just give it a good mix. But you can use whatever tomato paste you like, however much you like it. Remember, these are home cooked meals. And after mixing that, now add 3 medium-sized tomatoes that have been roughly chopped. And I like to use very ripe tomatoes for my recipes, and just cover that, allow the tomatoes to cook on low flame until they are juicy and pulpy like shown on the video. And after that, now go in with your kienyeji pieces. And I did not even add any other garlic and ginger when frying the chicken, because remember, I added enough to the chicken when boiling and I did not discard that water. So the water is still in there, and since I added salt, I did not add salt at this point because I figured it would be too much, but later on I realized that I should have added a little bit more, so I added that to taste. So add seasoning to your liking. And after cooking now, you can see now almost all the water is drained. Remember, the chicken is cooked because has been boiled. So the idea is just to let it absorb all the flavors from the tomatoes and the other ingredients. And after that, I added capsicum, pili hoho, the green ones, and just covered that to cook for 2 minutes, because remember, I just wanted to retain that crunch. And after 2 minutes, like you can see at this point, you can add coriander, you can add whatever other veggies you love. This kienyeji chicken was delicious. The taste was out of this world. So simple but so delicious. And I hope you give this recipe a try. Thank you so much for being here.